everyone, this is Shelby Johnston with the Johnston & Ritchie Realty Group at Coldwell Apex. We've had a ton of inquiries for the Legacy West Villas, but obviously those starting at a $700,000 price point are not very first-time home buyer friendly. But we have finally found that product in West Plano. Welcome to the Commodore on Preston, built by Canadian Homes. Come take a look. Similar to Legacy West, these are villas. They're single-family detached homes. They start in the $380 price point and go all the way up to the $480 price point. At the 3-story options have the option to add an elevator as well. We come on up to the second floor. This floor plan has the kitchen and living on the second floor. It's super important to use a realtor because we know what builders are very reputable, and Canadian has been in the business for over 60 years. As you can see, this is very modern, clean line, good looking, tall ceilings. Right now, the builder, since they are in phase 1, that's the best time to buy. The builder's giving $21,000 in design credits, so that means you get to go pick out certain upgrades and designs as well. As you can see, the kitchen comes with stainless steel appliances, gas cooktop burner, granite quartz options. This community is also super dog friendly. There's pet stations throughout. So I'm gonna come on over here. This floor plan has the private balcony right here, just right off the living room. I'm gonna come upstairs to the 3rd floor where there's a secondary suite and the master suite. This is also a great location being in West Plano in the 75024 zip code. As you can see, the guest suite has a private ensuite bathroom and its own private balcony as well. Now follow me this way. HOAs in this community is $1,800 a year. That covers lawn maintenance and other common ground maintenance as well. This is the master suite. As you can see, there's a lot of windows throughout, even in the stairway. This has its own private balcony as well. And if you can see, this is one of my favorite master bathrooms I've ever seen any new builder do. Super modern, clean line, bright, good for doing makeup and getting ready in the morning. So if you know anyone that's interested in buying these single-family villas by Canadian, please reach out. Feel free to call, text, or email me at any time. Thanks, guys.